In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometimes we feel like we have become very weak and we feel like maybe I am in trouble and I desperately needs help. The help is usually not always the help is usually unavailable or at least uncertain in a situation whether it is real or not, whether the other people agree it or not. But once a person feels that he or she is in trouble and needs the help, it actually relates to the feeling, it actually relates to the thinking more than the circumstances. I'm not totally negating the importance, the reality of the circumstances because it does matter. But it's not the only thing which matters. Rather, what does matter is how we are, what we are thinking, and how we are feeling. Our feeling is actually related to our thinking. Our feeling is related to our thinking. Whatever we think, whatever the same sort of feeling we will succeed in generating, whether our thinking is realistic or not realistic. If at all, some of the people are really in trouble, but still you will find them happy enough. Why? Because they don't think so. Another some of the people, they are not in any sort of trouble, not in any sort of serious trouble, yet they feel quite unhappy and their spirits go down. So it is more actually related to how a person thinks. Now, without going into the further details of that, as and when somebody thinks that he she is weak, has become weak, weak actually mean spirits have gone down. Weak actually mean the spirits have gone down. And in a case like this one, we are in the search of help. We are wishing, desiring, actively working for the help. Now, one help is what we can get from the other people, and I'm not against it at all. I'm not negating the importance of this sort of help because the help is needed. Then it is good to talk to the people, but there are certain other things which could be of great use and which are actually quite helpful, but simply we need to know and simply we need to try to avail and utilize those methods which are actually which could be of great help to us during the troubled time, during the time of trouble. What is this one? First of all, to begin with, since I'm a believer and I think so that the most important help will come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If at all we try to relate ourselves, if at all we do feel that I was born to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to be of to be the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I want to be a true slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I need to listen to Allah. How can I listen to Allah? For that I need to read Quran with the translation. If at all I can't understand the Arabic, so this is how I can listen the talks of Allah. And if at all I want to speak to Allah, all what I need to do is that I need to say the prayer, I need to worship, I need to say the salah. This is these are the two ways: prayer, prayer, and prayer. And it is also a teaching of our religion. It is also the teaching of Islam, that if at all you are in need of the help, then seek the help through prayer, and seek the help through patience as well. Seeking the help from the prayer, and seeking the help from the patience. We need to exercise the patience. We need to become patient enough, and also we need to be as much related, as much close to Allah as it is possible, by prayer and by prayer. And next to that, we need to think positive. Many of the people do not know the proper meaning of the positive thinking. Usually people are of the view that if at all we want to do good with the people, if at all and doing good and thinking good with the people is a positive thinking, definitely it is a positive thinking. And the people are of the view that doing bad or thinking bad with the people is a negative thinking. Definitely it is a negative thinking, but it is not up to this extent only. I think we need to go further. I think that we need to go further, and it is actually, if at all our thoughts are creating a kind of confidence in ourselves, if at all our thoughts are raising the ray of hope, if showing us the silver lining, if at all it is encouraging us for doing the good, if at all it is telling us that inshallah life will be good one, and I have to make effort, I shall keep making effort, my life will keep getting better and better. And if at all there are certain challenges, I inshallah, with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will be able to conquer it. I will be able to defeat the trouble, and I shall emerge victorious inshallah. This is the positive thinking. Whatever actually encourages you for the good is a positive thinking, and whatever is creating a kind of hopelessness, whatever is creating a kind of despair, is actually a sort of negative thinking. We need to become positive enough, even if it seems somewhat unrealistic, but unrealistic or realistic. Many of the things which were considered unrealistic became realistic, and people succeeded in doing that. People succeeded in achieving that. Another many of the things which were considered quite realistic but became unrealistic, because the people could not achieve that. So this is the reason. As for what is realistic and what is not realistic, I think so, keeping it aside, we need to strengthen ourselves, we need to raise our emotions, we need to make strong our willpower, and that will only be possible if at all we are thinking positive. And these are the two things. Now coming to the third one. This third one is to discipline oneself. Also, although we can start it, we can begin it from something which is very low, from the things which are very trivial and not the bigger one. But we need to discipline ourselves, we need to control our impulses. Being able to control our impulses, I think so, it will make us a strong person. It will generate and it will strengthen a kind of willpower in ourselves. On the basis of this willpower, we will be able to do the best performance from we ourselves. And if at all we have succeeded in giving the best performance, obviously we will be able to start getting far better results. Disciplining ourselves, strengthening our willpower, it is something of great value indeed, and it will show its benefits up to great extent, up to as much extent as we can actually. And then, last but not the least, try to read something positive, try to listen something positive, try to meet the people who are positive enough. And because this positivity is contagious, this positivity too, actually it affects the other people, it affects the readers, it affects the listeners, it affects the seers, It is as simple as this one. We need to practice all of these things, and then let me tell you, let me assure you that inshallah our life will keep getting better, and the kind of weakness we are feeling, the kind of trouble we are feeling, we shall be able to come out of it, and we shall be able to conquer the circumstances around us. Thank you.